Hey there! If you're planning an event, one thing you don't want to skip is the RSVP form. Why? Knowing who's coming helps you manage seats, food, and reminders so your entire event runs more smoothly. In this video, we'll show you how to create an RSVP form for your event using the Eventin plugin on WordPress. Let's get started. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable the notification bell icon to receive updates regularly. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Head over to Eventin and click New Event. Add your event details such as event title, start and end dates, time, and location. Once done, click Create Event. You'll now see your event draft with basic information such as title, date, and location. Now you can customize more sections like event speaker and organizer info, event schedule, branding, banner and logo, template setup. After completing all the above parts, scroll down to the RSVP section. Enable the RSVP toggle. Once enabled, you'll see more options. For the response category, here you can select the status like going, not going. Secondly, display the attendee list. Turn this on to show who's attending. Thirdly, you can set the attendee limit. Here, if you enable these, RSVP will only be visible to logged-in users. Here, you can set the RSVP capacity attendee limit. Lastly, you can turn off ticket sales if the RSVP is sufficient. Once you are done with the configuration, save all the changes. Now preview the event from the front end. Now let's submit the RSVP form as an attendee. Fill in the form, click Continue, and then Submit. Here you can see the RSVP attendee list. Go back to the RSVP report, and you can see the attendee list is stored here. Now let's submit the form with a different response. And again, check the report. Yes, it's showing correctly. Continue the similar process and let your attendees submit their responses through the RSVP form. Now go to the back end and you can see the list of attendees. You can see their details and delete them if needed. You can send the RSVP invitation to your preferred users from the RSVP invitation section. Provide the from email, subject lines, set the status, and email content, and click on the Send Email button. That's all. Your recipients will get the RSVP invitation. It is very easy to handle RSVPs with Eventin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching.